Unlock a world of digital games on Kinguin without a credit card or bank account by using Paysafecard. This tutorial will guide you through the seamless process of paying for your favorite game keys on Kinguin using Paysafecard, ensuring secure and private transactions. First, head over to Kinguin.net and browse their extensive library of digital games. Once you've found the game key you want, add it to your shopping cart. Proceed to the checkout page. Among the various payment methods listed, locate and select the Paysafecard option. This will redirect you to the Paysafecard payment portal. On the Paysafecard payment portal, you will be prompted to enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. Carefully input your PIN, then click Confirm or Pay to authorize the payment. Paysafecard will then process your payment instantly. Once successfully completed, you will be redirected back to Kinguin, where you'll receive a confirmation of your purchase. And just like that, your game key will be available in your Kinguin account, ready for activation on your preferred gaming platform. Using Paysafecard on Kinguin is a quick, secure, and private way to access your favorite digital games. Happy gaming!